Hey guys, in this video, simple meditation for beginners. It's easier than you think.
With 4 types of easy meditations that you can start today.
Plus, stay to the end for a secret weapon
To take your badass life to the next level. I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.
.com, helping people create
badass lives.
So first, let's talk about your brain on meditation.
You have these things in your head called anxiety centers. Then you've got 2 other parts of your brain that help you navigate through life. One of them is the assessment center, and the other one we call the me center.
The me center is the medial prefrontal cortex. This has a strong connection to the anxiety centers and a strong probability of taking things personally.
The me center has 2 parts. It only looks at how people are similar to you or how people are not similar to you.
Are they like me or not like me? Are they friend or are they enemy?
The assessment center of your brain
is the Vulcan center.
It's the rational part of your brain. The assessment center takes its time and doesn't take things personally. It checks it out to see if it's really safe or not safe.
It's like the Vulcan center of your mind.
Right. And so with meditation, the connection between the anxiety centers and the assessment center gets stronger. So that instead of jumping to taking things personally, the assessment center says, hey, let's take a look at this before you freak out.
The assessment center is the chill out center. So when you've got a stronger connection with your chill out, it's easier for you to what? Chill out. This is what meditation does for you. It strengthens your chill out center and lessens your freak out center.
That's it.
Now let's get into the 4 easy meditation styles for your crazy life.
The first one is simple. It's what we call a focal point style meditation. You just gotta pick something to focus on and then focus on it.
It's simple.
The easiest one is just your breathing. Take time to breathe in and breathe out.
You gotta do that again, your breathing was off.
Okay.
To breathe in and breathe out. And if you find yourself drifting anytime during a focal point meditation, just bring yourself back to whatever you're focused on.
You can focus on almost anything. A candle, a flower,
a tree. So the point of the focal point style meditation is to continue bringing yourself back whenever you get distracted. And bring yourself back whenever you get distracted. And bring yourself... You get the point.
It's like push-ups for your brain. The second type is the yogic style meditation. This style focuses attention on the inner world of self. So you're going inside and seeing what you're thinking and feeling and sensing.
It's all inside of your mind, which is located inside of your body. So when you connect your mind to your body, there's your meditation.
You can practice the yogic style of meditation while you're doing something like yoga or while you're dancing.
Or sitting. It doesn't matter what you're doing. What yogic style meditation is for is to connect your consciousness to the physical body.
It's to connect yourself to yourself. Style number 3, the Buddhic style of meditation.
Buddhic style.
This style focuses attention on the outside world, what's going on around you.
And this is an exercise where you can allow the external world to be a mirror of your internal self.
And the thing that'll really trip you out is you can actually do a Buddhic style meditation on yourself by observing yourself from the outside to the inside. The goal of Buddhic style meditation is to observe your world and the things going on around you with a non-attachment to other people's stories or the stories of situations around you.
It's one of the best for achieving what we call neutrality.
This is really good to help make stronger pathways from your assessment center to your anxiety center.
Which allows your anxiety centers to chill out.
The 4th style.
And one of my personal favorites, nap style.
And this is good for people who really can't get into meditation and feel like they can't do it, is before you take a nap, set some intentions for some purpose. Then breathe really deeply for a couple of breaths and take your nap. I guarantee you that by the time you wake up, you'll feel like you've meditated, and you might even have an answer or two to some problems you've been contemplating.
So it's really good for problem solving. So if you have an issue in your life, something that you have a challenge getting over or getting some answers to, set the intention, pose the question to your subconscious mind, take a little nap, maybe 15, 20 minutes, wake up, and you might surprise yourself how rapidly those answers start coming to you.
Now it's time for the bonus tip.
There's a bonus tip?
Yeah, there's a bonus tip. How long should you meditate?
That's a good question. How long should you meditate?
The minimum they say is 15 to 30 minutes to really start to strengthen that connection between the assessment center and the freak out center. But we can't all start with 15 minutes because it feels like it's so long. So just start with what you can start with.
Especially with a focal meditation, for example, to maintain focus on something for a full minute. If you get comfortable doing a minute, then you can move on to 2, move on to 3, and just keep going up until you hit that beautiful mark of 15 minutes, 30 minutes.
And pretty soon 15 minutes is going to seem too short. But don't try to push yourself faster than you are ready. You just learned simple meditation for beginners.
Now it's time for that secret weapon.
We're inviting you to join ZRG, a Global Personal Development Center,
Our premium access personal growth community for your badass life.
with unlimited live personal growth classes.
Click the link in the description to join.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
If this video helped you in any way, share it with a friend.
If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.
For more badass life tips,
Be sure to subscribe
and click that bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new
or
video.
go live.
Thanks for
We'll
watching.
see you in the next video.